Martin's Auto Repair in Phoenix. The owner says the secret to summer savings on your car is getting inside your vehicle and doing the maintenance that you need to avoid any breakdowns in the heat.
4 wheels to get around town.
I have to take my mom to get her medicine to the doctor's office and my daughter. And she goes to college.
And make her small business mobile.
I really need my car so that I can make a couple of dollars to support my family.
Because she relies so much on her car, Marcia Munari knows the importance of maintenance.
This is not my first summer here, and I know that it's brutal. It takes a big toll on your car.
At Martin's Auto Repair, owner Gabe Martin says in the summer heat, small issues like a worn belt or leaky hose.
Here's a classic example of a hose that wasn't in good shape and it came apart.
Can turn into major repairs.
Summer-proofing your car is very important because that's when we see a lot of the damage.
He says some things to stay on top of are fluids, air filters, battery, and tire pressure.
Mine are good so far.
Check your tire pressure weekly. Tires expand in the heat, and
this is a tire that completely blew apart.
When it comes to fluids,
they are so important because that's what keeps your engine, transmission, keeps everything running cool.
Coolant, oil, brake, and windshield washer fluids evaporate fast, so topping them off helps prevent overheating and expensive engine repairs. Then inside the car,
you want to make sure that the air conditioning is functioning at its full potential.
A clogged air filter can strain your AC. In dusty Arizona, Martin says you should change your filter every 10 to 15,000 miles. Extreme heat also shortens battery life. If your battery is more than 2 years old, preventative checks are cheaper than a tow truck. Beyond the heat, you can also protect your vehicle from monsoon season.
Visibility is very important.
Swipe out old wiper blades and clean cloudy headlights. While maintenance can add up, Martin says giving your car a full check is crucial to avoid a costly breakdown.
Doing summer maintenance on a car can cost you anywhere from $200 to $2,000. If you go catastrophic and you ruin an engine, it could cost you anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 to replace an engine.
Smart shoppers can always keep an eye out for coupons and deals.
With the coupons, I save about 20% off oil change.
All steps to ensure a smooth road ahead this summer. In Phoenix, Jane Caffrey, ABC 15.